Hello there. Today we're looking at going to the park. Going to the park. So let's go to the park. You can see there's trees, there's a playground. Let's go to the park. Rubbish bin, trash bin. It's both different words there. Rubbish bin or trash bin. Depends which one you want to use. British English, I use rubbish bin. Rubbish bin. A seat or a bench. I use both words. Sometimes I would say, let's sit down on this seat for a rest. Oh, look at the bench over there, it's green. So I use both words. Seat or a bench. Skateboard park. Scooter park. The children play on this park with their skateboard and scooters. So that's why I've called it today a skateboard park or a scooter park. Some, they call it a skate park. Skate park. They miss the skateboard. Scooter out completely. Skate park. Okay? A skateboard park or a scooter park. Tyre swing. Tyre swing. So you sit in the middle of that tyre swing. The tyre swing's a circle and you sit with your legs dangling in the middle. Someone pushes you and you go around rather than back and forth. You go around. So that's why it's a tyre swing. And you can fit 3 people on there if they're quite small. I know my children, because this is where I live. This is the park where I live. My 3 children sat on there and I pushed and Dad pushed and they had a great time. So yeah, you can sit 3 people on a tyre swing. A field or grass area. That's when you can just run, have a good run around on the field or the grass area. I call it a field. I play a lot of football on there, a lot of ball games like baseball, cricket. You can play football. There's lots of football played on that field. Lots of football played at that field. Or you can just sit. There's a lot of teenagers in my village sit on the field and just chat. They just chill and have a nice chat with their friends. So it's a nice space to relax, the field. Here we go. We are at the park. Slide. It's where you go up the stairs and you go down the slide. Slide. Climbing castle. Now that looks fun. And it is fun. The boys are usually on this climbing castle. They play hide and seek on this climbing castle. They climb up the ropes and they hide behind the doors to see if their friends can find them. So yeah, it's a really good thing, the climbing castle. Swings. Now it's different from the tyre swing that goes around in a circle. You sit and you hold on to the 2 chains and your parents, like you can see there, they push you. They push you. Or sometimes you can push yourself using your body and your legs as motivation to move forward. But you just move back and forth on a swing. basketball court. Now the park is this side. The basketball court is separate from the swing park, as I call it. And that's where the boys and some girls play basketball. Some of them play football in there. And you can see there is a fence around the basketball court. A tree. In the park, there are lots of these. So I just took one picture of the biggest tree. It's a lovely big tree. And you can see, if you look carefully, it's next to the basketball court. It's next to the basketball court. The tree. Woodland area. This is where parents usually sit while their children are playing at the park. The woodland area. It's very cool there, lots of shade, so we get protected from the sun, and it's nice just to chill with the different parents while the children are playing on the park. I've sat there many times. Path or pavement. British English, I use path. They use path, you can walk along the path. Sometimes children use their bicycles to cycle along the path. And some parents use the path just to exercise their children or their dogs. They push their buggy or their pram around the park using the path, just for some exercise and from some fresh air. So that's the vocabulary about let's go to the park. Let's have a quick recap. Rubbish bin or trash bin. Seat, bench. Skate park was one of the words I used. Skateboard park or scooter park. Tyre swing. Oh, does that move like that or like that? Can you remember? Yeah, it moves around. And if you can remember, 3 people can sit on a tyre swing, not just one. The field or grass area. The slide. The climbing castle. Swings, just for one person to sit on. Basketball court. A tree. Woodland area. Question, is it sunny or shady in the woodland area? Well done. It is shady in the woodland area. Good. Path or pavement. If you look really closely, you can see 2 other things in that picture that we've looked at today. Once you've noticed them, message me on my feedback on the notes and I will tell you if you're right or wrong. Okay? There's 2 other things in that picture. Please look and have a look to see which one it is. And if you can see the like and subscribe little button, please do so. Because I'm really enjoying my numbers rise. Lots and lots of people are looking at my videos and I really appreciate it. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, that's great. And message me if you have any more questions about the park and I will get back to you. Okay? Thanks for watching today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.